Let's recap what's going on here. We got over $300 profit on the day. Still down on the year, mostly because of this coin, probably, and the SPY. Oh, yeah, it's the SPY. That's why it's down. But I'm playing with that. I can play SPY for the rest of my life. I will be fine. I'm just going to keep making positions on it. Let's start with that then. So today is, what, February 20th, Tuesday. Market open for the first day this week. Yesterday was President's Day. So 3-day weekend coming out of the gate. Coin dropped significantly today off the earnings. It's back to where it was right before earnings. So that position's looking nice now. I took off my put spread. Oh no, I just had a naked put around like $70, I think, before. And when it shot up on earnings, that went down to like worth nothing. So I just bought it back for a couple bucks. Took that profit. And then when it shot up, the volatility was still high, so then I sold another put higher up, and that one's probably down a little. Actually, wow, no, it's not. So even on the drop today, let's see what it dropped. Coin dropped, change right here, it dropped 8% today, and the volatility seems to have crushed because even though it dropped 8%, my put, oh no, that's open. What did it do today? On the day. There it is, sorry. So yeah, the put here lost 41, or it went up in value 41 bucks, which is bad for me because I sold it. But I'm not worried about that. 105 put, and it's at 166. I can play with that put. But the big thing is this call spread that I had here was in the money pretty severely. It got up to what, like 190 and change the day after earnings, and this was drowning. It was above my long strike on a $15 wide spread. Now this is looking a lot better. The overall position is at 9.6% profitable right now. However, I might adjust this sooner than later just to get out of this thing. It's a volatile one. I regret putting it on when I was at Mardi Gras, but I just wanted to flex a little and show you guys I can trade on the go mobily. I do most of my trading on my phone. That's just the style I have. So if that resonates with you, subscribe and follow along. That's kind of my deal. I'm sitting in bed right now, just chilling, having a coffee, doing my trades. So Disney, I'm just hanging out with. That's looking good. So it's a 31%. I'm gonna get out of that around 50%. I might as well, while I have you here, just say close position. Wait, no, I won't do it that way. Let me get back. Oh, it's freezing on me, sorry. Bear with me just one moment. Okay. I won't just do it that way. Close position at a profit, the second one from the top. Sorry, percentage of profit. So I can just hit 50%, and then it'll mock up a closing trade at 50% of my profit. And maybe I'll just scoot it. Wait, why is that at 60? Here, I'll get that up a little. Let's say when it gets to like 90. When it's at 90, buy it back and get out of that thing. So that's set up, ready to go. My buying power will give me back 1,100 bucks. I'll make 44 on one contract. Boom. 50% in a few weeks. Not bad. 50% of the profit there. All right, back to the position. So that's ready to go. Working order, you see there. NFLX is the butterfly, remember? The broken wing butterfly. It shot up a little bit right after I put it on, so that's why it's kind of hurting right there, but it's not that bad if I remember. I put it on for $52 credit. It's now at 77, so it's like 25 bucks. Not that bad. This is going to be a slow mover. I'm going to just wait on that for a while. SPY, I'll skip for right now. Okay. Now, yeah, SPY I'll skip for right now. I'll come back to that. And Uber, right, so Uber was up around 80, and now it's coming down a little bit, so the P&L for the day is probably looking pretty good on that. It's still down a lot. The 152% there is because when it shot up after Lyft had really good earnings, I sold that 67.5 put, and now it's dropped down today, so that's why that's drowning a little more than normal. But I like where this is. I want it around the 70s. This is good. It dropped a lot faster, a lot quicker than I expected. I probably wouldn't have put this on like I did. So, oops, I hit close position. Sorry. All right. So then back to SPY to close this out, this video here, the recap of, I guess, coming out of the weekend. I sold a put spread right here, 462 and 457 when it was up a lot. I want this to get tested because if it comes down to the 460s, I'll take the 470s. And that gives me room to scoot this up a little more. I'm just going to keep rolling this. This is drowning, this call spread. I'm short the 456, and if you see it's at 495. I put this on months ago, and it was basically, it's like, Murphy's Law. It's like as soon as I put it on, that's when the market took off. I thought the market had a lot more months of just kind of stagnant action, but no, it just shot up. So then that just went completely in the money. So then I've just been selling put spreads along the way. Sometimes a little shorter duration to get a little more juice out of it. Yeah, so I want SPY to come down. That'll make this position look way better, and I can hopefully kind of surround it a little more and get on out of the money on both sides on SPY. I just want to essentially just hover around SPY for the rest of time and just keep collecting premium. And of course, inevitably, when it gets tested, I will play defense. And yeah, that's how you get profitable trading years, is if you play defense well and if you're humble enough to cut your loss. With SPY, I feel like I can play defense more, but if coin got like way out of hand, I would cut that loss. I don't know how coin is going to act forever. I kind of know how SPY is just going to move, and I have a feel for it. I even have a decent feel for Disney and Uber here. More so Disney. That's why I don't mind hanging out with Disney here. But SPY, I'm just going to keep working it. I might add a contract too to get a little more juice out of it. And then with this platform on Tasty Trade, you can track your yearly P&L per ticker. So if I see that I have sold enough put spreads to counter my unrealized loss of this, then I might just feel comfortable taking that wash and just closing this call spread and starting over. But for some reason in my head, I just need to come out on top, and I bet a lot of people feel that way too. So there's different ways of doing it. So that's kind of how I'm approaching it. If you have any questions, I know I just kind of blew through this, but this is just what I'm sitting at right now on a small account. Did all right for the day today, mostly because coin and SPY came down, and Uber, actually everything came down. So that works for me. I gain profits when stocks go down sometimes. How about that? All right. Ask any questions in the comments. I'll talk to you soon. Stay safe out there.